round two of some practice on the parking lot for driver's test. Done fixed the shifter on it. We're going to see how that works out. If I actually need to pull the transmission or shifter's going to be fine. It's adjusted where it should be. He's just letting the bike warm up and we'll go from there. I'm going to try, and my wife complained that I didn't have enough footage of them, so because I had it stationary before, so now I'm just going to do it by hand. There's boy waving. Yep, no skips yet anyway. We'll find out. I still need to take it out myself and adjust the damn ignition where I think it should be. It's good we got a couple of cars in the parking lot for them to dodge. Used to dodge the cars. There's a big pile of gravel over there, that parking lot gravel, little pea gravel that's kind of slippery. He's got that down pretty good as far as braking goes. I don't hear any skips out of the transmission yet, so must be good. I put them longer foot pegs on there instead of the aileron ones because them things make your feet slip off. These ones are a lot better. Nope, need to tighten up that turn a little bit. Feels good out here. It's probably 70 degrees, something like that. Told me he needs to get some road experience, and he's like, man, I need to get my license first. Yep, stopping, not putting your feet down, that's good. Got that down. Which is different, because when I was 18, I just hop on that son of a bitch and go. No license or nothing. So, I must have done something right. He wants to follow the law there, which is good. Hadn't said nothing about the transmission, so, and I haven't heard it, so he must have been pretty good. Had to fix the brake light on it too. I had that shit misadjusted. And that's good. Yep, no feet down. Nope. How's the transmission?
It's better. It didn't do that thing, but when I got off the ramp, I couldn't upshift. It was like stuck, so I had to grab it and pull it with my hand. But it works fine now.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah. Did I do the stopping thing right?
You did that good, man. I like that.
It's weird. I don't know how much I should stop before I should go. If I come to a complete stop, I'll wobble.
Well, it's good practice for you there as far as stopping and going. You get used to that. When you get in heavy traffic, you'll be doing that a lot. because you don't want to be like one of the guys that drags their feet on the damn ground all the time. Can't stand that. Every time I see it, I cringe. Need to get that front fender on there. Don't worry about painting it. Got the bike screen, and somebody gave us purple front fender, but it'll have to work. He's just complaining about getting water in his face. I think he's doing pretty good as far as parking lot riding goes. You have to get something when he gets his license so we can go riding together. So I can point him out, don't look where you want to go. Don't target fixate. Just get tunnel vision to stare straight ahead. If you want to go left, look left. Look through the damn turns. I think he understands that, but you can tell somebody that and they just shake their head and go, yeah. But it's better if you actually do it to experience it. Still getting used to the clutch. This thing's got a pretty hard clutch on it. Didn't look like it had an aftermarket spring. I think we maybe put a cable on there. The cable moves freely, but sometimes even after lubing it, if the cable's still hard, it might have some corrosion in there somewhere deep inside of it. Both ends look good. They're not, don't have any broken strands or anything, but judging from that rusty, crappy ass adjuster, it had a lot of water in it at one time. So we don't know what the cable looks like inside. So we'll find out. I don't know, I might get an easy clutch and put in that thing, which is just the ball and ramp has a different angle on it. If I can find one at a reasonable price. I think that shit's like $60 or something like that. Is what I've seen. And it's turning into Grand Central Station in here now. Lots of cars in the mix. Oops. That and a kickstand spring. That kickstand's dangling pretty good. And definitely got to aim up the headlight. The thing's spotlighting up in the damn trees. And replaced headlight indicator bulb. That thing's out. Probably the bulb's blurred, but a bad connection, something. Yeah, I like it. I don't know that he's ready for his test, but it won't be before too long. He's got gear shifting down, stopping with his, not putting his feet down pretty good. Knows all the traffic bullshit. Knows the test back and forth as far as the written test. We were just talking about oil on the damn street, like off ramps and crap like that. I didn't bring them this time, but I think next time I'll bring some 2x4s from the drive over top of like 2x4s. I think that's something we used to do when I taught the advanced class. You throw a 2x4 out there and have them ride over top of it, which ain't no big deal. You just kind of take your ass off the seat a little bit and ride over it. I think we got the front end about where we wanted. It ain't diving so much. That 20 weight works good in there instead of the stock 10 weight. 10 feels a little more supple, but the front end dives a lot. Full face element gets hot, man. He's having to take a little breather there. Yeah, I think we're doing good on the stop and go there. Yeah, it's a salvage bike, but I think we did pretty good on it. Didn't have any real major problems other than the twisted forks in the front rim. And a few other pieces that were banged up that needed to be replaced. Straightened up good, rides good, goes down the road straight. It's about serviced where it needs to be. I don't have any cones, so I'm going to try and do a imaginary slalom here. That's what I told him to do, just to practice it anyway. Hey man, see if you can lock up the back brake.
The back brake, lock it up.
hit it till it skids and then let off of it. Yeah. A little bit faster. Yeah, there you go. Pull the clutch in when you do it. I can't remember if that's part of the test anymore or not. They used to make us do that, was lock up the damn back brake. Yep.